marketer, and today I am here to tell you what is digital marketing and how many type of digital marketing in market. And today I will tell you there are two types of marketing. One is traditional marketing, second is digital marketing. Traditional marketing is a like banner, poster, newspaper, prints, and other pamphlet extras. But digital marketing is totally different from traditional marketing. Everything is every business is today will grow help of digital marketing, because today is time of internet. After after 5G and after come Jio SIM, internet is cheap. Internet has been cheapest, and after lockdown, digital marketing is growing. My name is Karthik and I am an owner of Digitally Prachar. I am running a digital marketing agency since 2023 November, and my company name is called Digitally Prachar and change. My it's me and they are my friends. We are starting digital marketing agency together after completed of digital marketing agency and after gaining of experience in digital marketing field. So welcome to our company. I am a founder of Digitally Prachar and my qualification is I am a BCom. I am BCom completed. I completed my BCom Bachelor of Commerce in 2023 June, and in first year of my college I did join the digital marketing course in Mevla Maharajpur. After completed my digital marketing course, I did join the job in digital marketing field, and during job I realized the where I did work in company. All company is in Faridabad a digital marketing agency, not a manufacturing company. I gained the experience from company where I working, and I decided on that time that I am running a own my company in digital marketing agency. So let's start, and today I tell you about my company and what service we are provide to businessmen and working professionals. Please change. In digital marketing field, our mission is every businessman. We help of digital marketing to all sizes of business achieve a business goals and revenue through digital marketing, because we know that in local area every businessman believe in traditional marketing. They want to print poster, pamphlet, and other things for marketing. But today time is in internet. So our mission is we help of every type and all sizes of business grow through digital marketing, and our vision is every businessman and working professional and every person aware of digital digital things and digital marketing, how digital marketing benefits for their change please. We provide services in our agency all over of digital marketing service we provide, and apart of this we provide paid advertising related to social media, Instagram and Facebook. Like if you are using a social media and Facebook, you show the sponsored reels, graphics and other stories. If you mention top on sponsored, means that are paid advertising. So in paid advertising, including social media ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, they platforms, Meta platforms, LinkedIn, Google, they charge money to show their business ad. And second is website development. We also design the website development from WordPress and other CMS platform, and we lot of website create through for businessmen and working professional. Website is a if you are a if you are a running business offline, means your business shop is a offline website, because every customer and client visit your shop and your business place. But if you are running a online business, means your website is a your website will your place, business place, because every clients and customer will come from online platforms. So first of all, your website should be amazing, user friendly, and quick looking. And third services is we provide graphic design. Every businessman needs to graphic design, because if you are running a ads, you need to graphic, because if your business shown if your business and you want to show your benefits and business, you are provide, so you are mentioned on graphics by design, and that graphic used to for your paid marketing and pamphlet catalog and other stuff. And apart from this presentation, we provide lot of services in digital marketing, like video editing, website development, Google ads, YouTube ads, social media marketing, graphic designing, email marketing, and podcast marketing. So change. Data analysis and digital marketing. Before we starting digital marketing services for client, our team analyzes their business and their niche, and analysis their competitor, what is their position in competitive market. So if you hire us, our team will analysis your business and analysis your competitor and analysis your position. What is your position on internet? Also, our team will create report and analytics data to provide you how our team can achieve your business goals, and how our team give your business revenue. And our business partner is a hospital, schools, and coaching institute, doctors, working professional, dentist, and many more. Please change. Creative point digital marketing. If you want to make career in digital marketing, and if you want to run a business in future, you need to creative mind in digital marketing, because you need to identify where your customer and client is. Because if you are suppose that you are a shoes business, if you have a shoes business and you want to sell your shoes on internet, so which platform is best for your business? Shoes is a product, and mostly people buy the shoes from their pick and quality. Social media is a best platform for shoes selling, because no one is a shoes search on Google. Every person shoes search on Amazon and Flipkart. No one search shoes on Google, because if you are randomly scrolling the reels on Instagram and you saw the red shoes on your phone, and you also saw the cheapest price, so if you don't need to shoes but you buy it, because we are greedy mind. So if you want to make a career in digital marketing, you need to creative mind. So, vast value on our service. If you want to start business in future, not sell your service and product to customer and client. Sell your value. What is your service value? Because if you sell your value, and if you sell your service value, that means your customer and clients attach with you for long time. So if I talk about me, if you talk about myself, I don't believe on sell service and product. I also want to make big relationship with customer and client, because if your customer and clients happy with you, they are also reference with you. They are also reference to you for your business. They are not only your client and customer. They help you to find your customer and clients, and also help you in grow your business in future. Please next. Customer research monthly sales. This is the most important in business, because if you are running a business and you do lot of hard work in your business, and you get the lot of client and customer in 1 month, and you realize we get the lot of customer and client in this month, so why we do marketing for next month? But it is a wrong myth. In business you should continuously try to find new customer and client, because it not will be customer and client not will be always with you. They make you, आप उसको लंबे समय तक खुश नहीं रख सकते.
You can't make him happy for long.
You can't make happy to your customer and clients for long time. So that this is the main reason you need to drive new customer and client for your business. If you are serious for your business estimates. Digital marketing annual plan. I have a 4 annual plan, digital marketing strategy annual plan for business owner and working professional. First is basic plan. In basic plan, including services, is we provide 30 post on social media and also research on hashtag to their business niche and target their business audience and also make the business community on social media platform. In basic plans, including 30 post means 10 reels, 10 carriages, multi images, slider, and single images post. Our team will our team will design your business post and also post on your social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And also including this, we optimize your social media like bio, what should be your bio, and what type of content you should to post on your social media, and we manage your social media platform to engage your customer with your Instagram and Facebook. And an intermediate plan, in an intermediate plan including in this 30 in this plan, or we provide 30 post like basic plan, and we run in this best part of this plan, we running ads for your business on social media, and we generate the business revenue for your business, and its will and running ad advertisement charge will absolutely free in this package. So we suggest you choose this plan. Next. Thank you everyone to listen me, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love.
Okay, please, you will have to go for a question and answer. Your audience has a question.
So how much growth you provided to your clients?
Okay. First of all, we analyze their business, what type of business and what type of service they are provide to customers, and what competitors they are providing marketing to customers, and we decided, our team will decided and approach to client and customer, your competitor doing this, your competitor doing that, why you are did not do that. So a lot of things, after research we will try to achieve their business goals in through digital marketing.
If we consider the things, so in which way you can explain, like in the percentage you grow the revenue from this percentage, from this percentage, like from this amount from this amount. What is your best? You go for any client, any name of that client you can provide.
We don't commit it to client and customer, exactly percentage we will grow your business, because it is a digital, and but I will definitely commit it to our client and customer if client customers also generate a business revenue. So also generate a business revenue, and our team try to achieve competitors business revenue, and also try to achieve same revenue.
So this is your, you are just presenting the thing, or this is your actual business?
No, this is your actual business. Yes, I'm totally serious about it.
So what is your best plan in among all of them?
All of them.
What is the price of that plan?
In this presentation, I told only the social media plan, but apart of social media, lot of digital marketing services we provide, like email marketing, funnel marketing, analytics and research, and graphic designing, video editing, and LinkedIn marketing, YouTube SEO, Google My Business.
Suppose I am your client, I
Oh.
come to you and I say this is my brand and I want to do this from this percentage to this percentage,
Okay.
or even anything.
Okay.
So I come to you, you said like we can make your brand more populated, more well known. Okay. So what can I expect from you, your side?
Okay. Can you tell me what is your business and what
Like I am a manufacturer of any electronic item.
electronic?
Yes, I want to make that make that thing as a brand like HP, like Dell,
HP.
like Logitech, like there are many brands.
Okay. So let's we will talk in electronics brand. You know that well, electronics brand also you can promote your electronics item on social media, but in electronic product, you this is a D2C business. You are distributor to customer. Every electronic business owners open a distributor and open a
But nowadays everything is going online, like Amazon,
Huh.
Flipkart. We are not.
If you are a brand a electronic item, you can list it on Amazon, you can list it on Flipkart, and also listed on